So mega love shout out everyone. This is me, Mom Shawie vlog. So aside from the Maybelline New York, I also received this Hera over blur lip pencil. So guys, it's my first time to use lip pencil because I am accustomed of using lipstick, and it's my first time to use this lip pencil. It's like pencil, but I will not be using this for eyebrow. It's for lip, so it's lip pencil. Okay. It's like a pencil, so over blur lip pencil. So thank you very much, gang, for making me feel beautiful. Thank you very much for my lip pencil. Thank you for my lip pencil. Thank you again and again.